Hey everyone, in our last video we talked about Ender. Today let's focus on something that slows every system down, Muda. In Japanese, Muda means waste. It refers to any activity that does not add value to product or service. In lean thinking, the goal is simple. Identify and eliminate all non-value adding activities from the process. Because every bit of waste, time, effort or material takes us further away from the true efficiency. Eliminating Muda helps organization becomes faster, leaner and more productive without adding more effort or cost. When waste is removed, process flows smoothly, quality improves and customer get quicker value. Now look at 7 types of Muda with quick examples. First is overproduction, making more than what is needed or before it is needed. For example, a machine keeps running even when there is no customer order. Second is waiting time. Time wasted when people or machines are waiting for materials, tools, and instructions. For example, a worker stand idle because parts have not yet arrived. Third is transport. Unnecessary movement of materials or products. For example, moving raw material from one corner to another again and again in the factory. Fourth is overprocessing, doing more work than required to meet the customer's need. For example, polishing or inspecting a product more times than necessary. Fifth is inventory, keeping extra raw material parts, finished goods, for example, stocking more components than what is needed for current orders. Sixth is motion, unnecessary movement by people like walking, reaching, searching for tools. For example, a worker walking long distance just to fetch equipment. Seventh is defect, mistakes or errors that require rework or lead to scrap. For example, a faulty part that must be fixed or thrown away. Each of these wastes add cost, time, and effort without giving any value to the customer. The first step toward improvement is seeing the waste. Once you identify Muda, you can start eliminating it. That's how Toyota and other lean organizations keep getting better, not by working harder, but by removing what does not add value. In next video, we will explore a powerful tool that helps you see where the waste is, called value stream mapping. It's how companies visualize their entire process from start to finish and find where the improvement is needed. You will love this one.